Hello there. BoBo, the Bitcoiner, is back again. What happened when AI collide with Bitcoin? Two technology, both unstoppable, but moving in completely opposite direction. All right. One centralized the power, the other decentralize it. One amplify control, the other restore sovereignty. And the world is about to find out what happened when they meet. So today, I'm going to break down Bitcoin versus AI, the coming collusion, and why this matters more than most people realize. The AI is not just a tool, it's a new kind of power. AI is not simply software that thinks. AI is surveillance at machine speed, decision making without human oversight, pattern recognition beyond humans' ability, automated financial control, code analysis at superhuman skill, attack surfaces expanding faster than human can defend. So AI is the first technology in history that can read every line of code, scan every wallet, test every vulnerability, exploit every weaknesses faster than any human team can ever respond. This is not science fiction, it's already happening. See, AI has already attacked crypto successfully. In the last 12 months, AI has found 5-year-old vulnerability in cold-cut wallets, exploited weak randomness to steal millions of Bitcoin, uncovered a 4-year Zcash flaw that could have tinted or minted unlimited coins, and forced blocks a Bitcoin swap service to shut down because AI found bugs too fast. AI is now capable of scanning open sourced code at a scale no human reviewer can match. This is the new reality. Open source does not mean reviewed. It means AI will find your mistakes. And this is where Bitcoin design becomes critical. See, AI pushes the world towards centralization. AI gravitates towards centralized data, centralized control, centralized decision making, centralized infrastructure. Government and corporation love this. AI make it easier to monitor transactions, to enforce financial rules, to freeze accounts, to automate compliances, to predict behavior, and control money flow. AI is the perfect tool for the world that wants more control. But Bitcoin is the opposite. Bitcoin pushes the world towards decentralization. Bitcoin is permissionless, borderless, censorship resistant, decentralized, predictable, incorruptible, and sovereign. Bitcoin is the only monetary system that AI cannot manipulate, cannot censor, AI cannot control, cannot rewrite, AI cannot overwrite. Because Bitcoin rules are not non-negotiable. They are enforced by thousands of codes, millions of users, global consensus, proof of work, physical energy, real world costs. AI can stimulate intelligence, but it cannot stimulate energy. This is why proof of work becomes more important in an AI world, not less. So, what makes what makes Bitcoin stronger, not weaker? Here's the twist. AI can attack everything, but Bitcoin is the hardest system to attack. Why? Because Bitcoin security model is simple, predictable, energy-based, decentralized, better tested, mathematically transparent. AI will break centralized exchange, custodian wallets, smart contracts, altcoins, bridges, sidechain, and poorly audited protocols. But Bitcoin base layer is designed to survive adversaries far more powerful than AI. Bitcoin is the anchor in the world where AI destabilizes everything else. So, the real solution, AI control money versus Bitcoin control freedom. The future will split into two financial systems. System 1, AI control money, programmable, surveilled, restricted, monitored, adjustable, and centrally managed. This is CBDC. This is corporate money. This is algorithm finance. System 2, Bitcoin control freedom. Fixed supply, open network, permissionless, censorship resistant, sovereign, decentralized. This is the escape hatch. This is the alternative. This is the counterweight to AI driven control. So why does this matter now? AI is accelerating faster than regulation, faster than governments or governance, faster than human. In a world where AI can freeze your account, enforce rules, monitor behavior, predict action, control money, Bitcoin become the last line of defense for financial freedom. The collision is not optional, it's inevitable. And the people who understand Bitcoin today will be the ones who stay sovereign tomorrow. So the final message here is AI will change everything, but Bitcoin will decide what kind of world we end up living in. Our future is automated control. The other is automated freedom. The collision is coming, but Bitcoin is ready. So, interesting subject today, right? AI, Bitcoin. Well, more to come, all right? See you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.